Hey game changers, welcome back to our channel. With tax season upon us, it's time to roll up our sleeves and tackle those forms. Whether you're a tax season filer or it's your first time, this is your complete guide to filing taxes this 2024 and the following years. This video will cover various aspects including tax filing requirements, different filing options, deductions and credits, and common tax questions. So stay tuned. Whether you hire a professional or do it yourself, you'll need certain information and documentation to file your tax return. First things first, your personal information. You'll need your social security and/or tax ID numbers. Have this tax identification ready for yourself, your spouse, and all dependents. Remember, in addition to children, dependents can include elderly parents and others. IP PIN. If you, your spouse, or a dependent had been issued an identity protection PIN by the IRS, you'll likely need to have that handy as well. This PIN in regards to identity theft issue and tax refund fraud. Last year's taxes. These aren't necessary but a good reference of what you filed last year and the document you use. Bank account numbers. If you're opting to have your refund through direct deposit or pay tax bill directly through your bank, be prepared to provide your bank routing and account numbers. For your income, gather all your necessary documents. This includes your W-2 form from your employer or 1099 forms for freelance or contract work or any additional income you receive throughout the year. Now that you have all your paperwork in order, let's talk about the different ways you can file your taxes in 2024. You can do it yourself or with the help of others like attorneys, CPAs, or enrolled agents. The first option is the traditional paper method. You can fill out physical forms and mail them to the IRS. This method is straightforward but can be time-consuming and prone to errors. The second option is e-filing. This is the most popular method in 2024. You can use tax preparation software like TurboTax and HR Black or file directly through the IRS website. I myself prefer e-filing because it is convenient, secure, and often faster than traditional methods. And don't forget, there's even apps available for filing taxes right straight from your smartphone. But make sure you know it well before using it. Now, let's talk about deductions and credits. Deductions help reduce your taxable income, which generally means a lower tax bill. The key to claiming deductions is documentation. Not only it can protect you if you get audited. Here are some examples of tax deductions. Retirement account contributions, educational expenses such as tuition fees, and interest paid on a student loan. But make sure you have the forms needed to file these claims such as Form 1098-T for your educational transactions and Form 1098-E for your student loan. Medical bills, property taxes and mortgage interest, and charitable donations. Another deduction is the tax credit. The most popular one is the child tax credit. This standard tax child credit is worth up to $2,000 per child for tax year 2003. Adoption might also be eligible for additional tax credits. Be sure to take advantage of all deductions and credits you qualify for to maximize your tax savings. And again, make sure you have all documentation for each before filing these deductions. Finally, let's address some common tax questions. But before that, if you found value on this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. What if you can't pay your taxes in full? Don't panic, the IRS offers payment plans and options for those who need them. What if I entered the correct account and routing numbers but the IRS made an error in depositing my refund? You can contact IRS to correct any agency errors by calling them during hours of operation. And you can simply go to their website irs.gov for all information, questions, and instructions regarding taxes. And there you have it, your complete guide to filing taxes in 2024. Remember, tax season doesn't have to be stressful. With the right knowledge and tools, you can navigate the process with this. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy filing, game changers!